auto icons revels in the madness and majesty of Lamborghini. Alright, fasten your seatbelts because today we're entering the exotic, flamboyant, and downright bonkers world of Lamborghini. This isn't just another car manufacturer. Lamborghini is a spectacle, a rolling expression of opulence and excess. It's automotive art that turns heads, stops traffic, and probably causes minor heart palpitations. So let's dive into why Lamborghini is the automotive equivalent of a rock concert headlined by the gods of speed and fury. First, we need to talk about the origins because the Lamborghini story starts with a bit of spicy Italian rivalry. Ferruccio Lamborghini, a successful tractor manufacturer, wasn't content with plowing fields. No, he had a bone to pick with Enzo Ferrari, who dismissed him as a mere tractor mechanic when Ferruccio complained about his Ferrari's reliability issues. And what did Ferruccio do? He didn't just fix the problem, he set out to topple Ferrari's empire. In 1963, the Lamborghini 350 GT was born, and with it, a new chapter in automotive history was written. Let's talk design. Lamborghini cars don't just look fast. They seem to be screaming at the fabric of reality to catch up. The Lamborghini Miura, unveiled in 1966, is often credited as the world's first supercar. With a transverse V12 engine mounted behind the driver and looks that could kill, the Miura set a new benchmark for speed and style. It didn't just blur lines, it erased them and drew new ones in neon. But you can't discuss Lamborghini without mentioning the Countach. With its scissor doors and wedge-shaped design, the Countach looked like it had been beamed down from an alien mothership. Everything about it screamed excess, from its monstrous V12 engine to its outrageous aesthetics. Driving one was less about getting from A to B and more about making a grand entrance. Then, there's the modern era. The Lamborghini Aventador, with a naturally aspirated V12, is a fire-breathing beast that roars louder than a dragon with a sore throat. It's not just impossibly fast, it's also impossibly flamboyant. Driving an Aventador is like riding a thunderbolt, with looks that could make Mona Lisa blush. And who can forget the Huracán? With its Ven engine and sharper-than-a-razor design, it's a Lamborghini distillation. Ferocious, agile, and downright stunning. It's like putting a cheetah in a tuxedo. Sure, it's wild, but it's remarkably well-dressed. Let's not overlook Lamborghini's ventures into the downright outrageous. The Reventón, the Sesto Elemento, the Veneno, these aren't just cars. They're limited edition dreams wrapped in carbon fiber. Each model is a collector's item, designed to thrill and to be gawked at. They offer more shock and awe than a fireworks display at a Bon Jovi concert. And just when you think Lamborghini couldn't get any crazier, they launched the Urus, a super SUV. It's as if Lamborghini looked at the concept of family vehicle and decided to blow it up and rebuild it in their own mind-bending image. It's got the practicality of an SUV and the soul of a raging bull. Taking the kids to school has never been this exhilarating. So why do we adore Lamborghini? Because they don't just build cars, they craft fantasies on wheels. They push the boundaries of what's possible, breaking the mold with each new model, creating masterpieces that defy conventional wisdom. If this wild ride through the opulent and outrageous world of Lamborghini has your adrenaline pumping and your dreams ignited, then don't just sit there. Smash that like button, hit subscribe on Icons, and absolutely annihilate that notification bell like you're launching an Aventador. Drop us a comment. What's your ultimate Lamborghini fantasy and why? Your engagement is the fuel for our fiery passion. Until next time, keep driving fast, living large, and always follow the road less traveled, preferably in a Lamborghini. Cheers!